An MSP user group is a set of users from your MSP who have joint interests, goals, or roles. A group can be devoted to a particular function, technology, application, or corporation. Myki admins can create user groups and add users to these groups. Items, item folders, and security policies can then be assigned to these groups, which will result in having every user in the group affected by the assignment. I will now walk you through the different features and functionalities available in the MSP Groups section. You can access your MSP Groups by logging into your Enterprise portal and going to the MSP Groups section. There are 3 columns in this list: the name of the group, the description of the group, and the number of users in the group. To search for a specific group, you can use the search bar on the top right of the list. To add or import groups, you can either do that manually or import them using the different available methods. To delete a group, right-click on this group's row and select Delete Group. To preview a user group, simply press on the Preview button when you hover over the required group, and a window pop-up will appear to the right with general information about this group. You can also delete it from this window. For additional information on a specific group, you can click on the group's name to access the Group Info page. On the left side, you will find the selected group's card. This includes general information such as the name and description. You can also delete the group from this card. On the right-hand side, you will have access to different tabs. The Group Info tab includes general information about the group. It includes group users, the list of all employees in the group items, which include the list of items that this group has access to, the group item folder, which includes a list of all the item folders of this group, and finally group policies, the list of policies applied to this group. In this User Access tab, you will find all of the users in your account. To add users to the group, simply check the box on the left of the user's name and hit Save. Similarly, to remove a user, uncheck the box. To search for a specific user, use the search bar at the top right side of the User Access tab. In the Items Access tab, you will find all of the items including passwords, secure notes, and payment cards that are in your MSP Vault. To assign items to users in the group, simply check the box at the left of the item and hit Save. Similarly, to unassign an item, uncheck the box. To search for a specific item, use the search bar at the top right-hand side of the Items Access tab. You can also create an item directly from the page by clicking on Create Item. In the Item Folders Access tab, you will find all of the item folders available in your account. To assign an item folder, check the box at the left of the item folder's name and hit Save. Similarly, to unassign it, uncheck the box. To search for a specific item folder, use the search bar at the top right of the Item Folders Access tab. You can also create an item folder directly from that page by clicking on Create Folder at the top right side of the page and filling in the required info. Let's talk about security policies. In the Security Policies Access tab, you will find all of the security policies set up in your MSP Policies tab. To enforce a security policy on the group, check the box at the left of the security policy's name and hit Save. Similarly, to unassign it, uncheck the box. To search for a specific security policy, use the search bar at the top right of the Security Policies Access page. You can also create a security policy directly from this page by clicking on Create Policy at the top right side of the page and selecting which type of policy you'd like to create. Make sure to fill in the required information. To go back to the MSP Groups page, simply click on Groups at the top left of the group card. For more information, check out the link in the description.